60 Side Hustles to Start Earning Money from Home. In this short video, I will be showing you 60 side hustles you can start doing to earn your first $100. 1. Sell used goods on eBay. Rather than donating or tossing old items, like that outdated light fixture you replaced in the dining room, try selling them on eBay. 2. Go freelance. Whatever job you do now, try doing a few extra hours of it in a freelance capacity each week for some extra income. 3. Photography. 4. Start a house painting company. Assemble a team of experienced painters who can help you knock out any painting jobs you book. 5. Become a virtual assistant. With the workforce becoming increasingly more remote, lots of big companies and high-up executives are hiring virtual assistants to outsource administrative responsibilities to. 7. Travel writer. 8. Start a blog. While this won't start making you money instantly, with time, good SEO practices, and a dedicated following, you can turn a blog into a profitable side hustle in 2022. 9. Web design. 10. Sell handmade soaps. Buy a soap-making kit at your local craft store and create sweet-scented bars of soap to sell for profit. 11. Donate plasma. If you meet their medical criteria, many clinics will pay you for donating your plasma, which you can do about twice a week. While it's one of the weirder side hustle ideas on this list, it's a unique way to earn some consistent cash. 12. Affiliate marketing. 13. Become an Uber driver. 14. Work for Amazon Flex. You can sign up to deliver packages with Amazon Flex and make upwards of $18 an hour. 15. Rent your spare room. Whether you list your space on Airbnb or simply consider getting a roommate to sign a year-long lease that'll offset your mortgage, becoming a landlord is one of the most lucrative side hustle ideas out there. 16. Rent your parking space. Did you know that you can make money by renting out your car parking space? Yep, people pay money each month to use your car parking space. Another perk of the sharing economy. If you have a car parking space you're not using, try websites such as Daft or ParkPNP to make a passive income each month for very little effort. 17. Refurbish and resell used furniture. Buy cool pieces at a thrift store and make them look better than ever with a coat of paint or some new drawer pulls. You can even get gently used pieces off the side of the road for a lower startup cost. 18. Social media manager. If you have any experience planning Instagram content or running a Facebook page, selling your social media management skills could be a good way to earn some extra income. 19. Get a part-time delivery job. Companies like FedEx and UPS hire seasonal help, which can be a great temporary side hustle. 20. Teach music lessons. If you know how to play the piano or strum a guitar, get involved with a local music group or connect with other band parents at school so you can start hawking your services as a virtual music tutor. 21. Sell items on Etsy. Make handmade goods from home that you can sell on Etsy, like knit hats or custom embroidered handkerchiefs, for some extra cash. 22. Be a DJ. With a laptop and a few good speakers, anyone can start a DJ side hustle business. 23. Write an ebook. Writing a self-published ebook to sell on Amazon is among one of the more common side hustle ideas, particularly for bloggers or those with existing communities. 24. Create an online course. 25. Buy and sell domain names. You can buy up domain names rather cheaply, build them up a bit and then sell them for profit as a fully remote side hustle. 26. Start consulting. No matter what field you're in, there's a part of your skill set that is totally sellable, it's just up to you to make the most of it. 27. Babysit. List your services on a site like Care, Calm or simply start spreading the word amongst your friends. With rates around $10 to $15 in most areas, you can start earning cash quickly. 28. Teach English online. Sites like VipKid and Kids are popular options and allow you to teach right from your home. 29. Be a tour guide. If you live in a touristy destination, you can start a local tour guide company as your new side hustle. 30. Become a travel agent. Many people are looking for COVID-safe vacations to take, so make that your specialty. Before I go any further, I will give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video so far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please ensure you leave a comment below. 31. Start a cleaning business. Charge an hourly or project-based rate for cleaning people's homes. The best part about this side hustle idea is that it doesn't cost much to get it up and running, and you can keep scaling it month after month. 32. Sell digital designs. For a low-maintenance side hustle idea, create digital designs like holiday card templates, printable art or resume designs to sell online at sites like Etsy. 33. Start a laundry service. If you're living in an area where in-home washers and dryers are rare, you can make a killing by starting a wash and fold laundry delivery service side hustle. 34. Teach a cooking class. If you've got great kitchen skills, try hosting a class in your home and charging $10 to $15 a person to cover supplies and your time. 35. Start up a YouTube channel. 36. Become a house sitter. Not only is house sitting a fun and relaxing way to make money, if you're able to do it often enough, but you could also save yourself some money on rent, too. 37. Tutor students. Whether you're a pro at math or got a great score on your LSATs, you can make a pretty penny when you start tutoring as your side hustle. 38. Get a real estate license. Do the numbers work? Do you have the patience, dedication, and a strong network to tap? If so, then real estate just might be a serious side hustle for you to entertain, they say. 39. Pick up people's trash. Some companies will hire you to keep their parking lots clean and free of trash. 40. Sell used textbooks. 41. Become a mystery shopper. Signing up to become a mystery shopper on sites like Bestmark is one of the most fun side hustle ideas out there. Not only can you make a bit of extra cash on the side, but it also comes with a lot of cool perks like free dinners. 42. Design and sell t-shirts. Create cool t-shirt designs for your local sports team or high school and get them screen printed in bulk to sell around town. 43. Become a wedding planner. If you have the right skills and contacts, starting a wedding planning side hustle can be a lucrative business idea for 2022. 44. Open a food stand. Set up a table or booth at the park and sell your homemade meals for cash. 45. Graphic design. By starting a graphic design side hustle, you can show off your skills to potential clients, or simply list your services on a site like Fiverr. 46. Hairdressing. 47. Teach yoga. Once you're a certified yoga teacher, you can make extra money by working as a part-time teacher. 48. Work as a personal trainer. Charge your friends $10 a workout to put some extra dough in your wallet. 49. Start a part-time pet sitting business. For example, if you love animals, you might enjoy pet sitting while people are away traveling. 50. Create a podcast. You can charge a small fee for downloads. 51. Bartender. 52. Get paid to take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make an extra $100 or so a month simply by taking surveys or watching videos online. 53. Transcribe interviews. Sites like Transcribe Anywhere will pay you to transcribe audio recordings. Set your own schedule, so you can work as much or as little as you like. 54. Transcribe YouTube videos. Creators of YouTube and other video content will hire you to transcribe the audio, so it can be uploaded along with their visuals. Depending on how fast of a typer you are, you can make a lot of money with this side hustle idea. 55. Become a brand ambassador. The perfect side hustle idea for people living on or near a college campus. 56. Shovel snow. If you live in an especially snowy area, starting a snow shoveling service in your neighborhood could get you business and extra cash fast. 57. Become a party planner. Parents are wondering how to host birthday parties during the COVID pandemic, looking for virtual kid birthday party ideas and more. Think about becoming a virtual party planner to help Zoom celebrations go off without a hitch. 58. Cook or do meal prep. There are so many ways to turn a cooking or baking hobby into a side hustle. For example, if you love to cook, start working as a private chef or offering to meal prep for people. 59. Edit videos. If you're a whiz with digital editing software, you can start a video editing side hustle and sell your services to local businesses. 60. Play online games. We have come to the end of today's video. Feel free to drop in the comment section the side hustle you would like to try out, or the one you are already doing to earn some cash in your pocket. If you like this video, please do well to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button below, as this will encourage me to drop more tips on ways you can make money this 2022. Okay then, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.